Hi, this is Zach Day, new home consultant with Lennar here in the Mid-Florida division. Today we're going to take a look at the Columbus floor plan, which is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 1,875 square feet. If you want information about current pricing and incentives for this home, text the word PRICE to 352-358-1459. Without further ado, let's go take a look at the home. That's the Columbus. If you want information on pricing and incentives for this home, text the word PRICE to 352-358-1459. Have a fantastic day.